Today we're making one of the most iconic and certainly something you need to try at least once, the Negroni. I'll admit, the Negroni is something that had to grow on me because it's made with an Italian bitter, and bitter it is. This unmistakably vibrant red Italian bitter may be an acquired taste for some, and for others, you may never try this drink again. With that said, it's time to try this for yourself. Either you love it or you hate it, the Negroni. Let me show you how to make it. For this drink, you'll need equal parts gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari. And at the end, you'll need orange peel for garnish. And the tools you need for this drink are a mixing glass, a long stirring spoon since you'll be mixing everything in the glass, a strainer, and a fruit peeler. Everything I use in my bar and in this drink are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with a mixing glass with ice in it, you'll want to add your 1 ounce of gin. Next, you'll add 1 ounce of Campari. Notice how vibrantly red this is. Now I'm adding 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. It's time to mix everything together for about 15 seconds in the mixing glass. Then I strain it all into an old-fashioned glass with a large ice cube in it. The last thing I'll need to do is peel some orange, express the oils over the drink, rub the rim, then place it into the drink like so. And there you have it, the very bitter and very iconic Negroni. Cheers. Whew, that's certainly a punch in the mouth. There's no dancing around the obvious. You either love this drink and you're lining up for another one, or you hate this drink and you're gonna swear this off for good. I definitely want to know in the comments, would you ever try this drink again, or are you swearing this off for good? And on that note, if you like this video, and more importantly, enjoy making delicious cocktails, hit that subscribe button as I put out new videos each week. Also in the comments, let me know what drinks I should make, and I'll try to get those out in future videos. But until next time, cheers.